Video tutorials for Nephstar HbA1c Assay. Get prepared with all the test materials. Power on and warm up the Nephstar for 10 minutes. Input reagent code 72 and press Enter. Swipe the card from left to right. Confirm lot number and sample ID. Press Enter until the screen displays Place cuvette in the chamber. Control a sample test. Dispense 1000 microliter hemolysis into EP tube. And add 10 microliter control sample into the same EP tube. Shake gently and allow the mixture stand for 5 minutes. Take a cuvette from the accessory pack. Place the stirring bar into cuvette. Dispense 10 microliter hemolyzed sample into cuvette. Place cuvette into the test chamber. Dispense 300 microliter HbA1c region 1 into cuvette. And press number lock. Then count down of 3 minutes. Dispense 100 microliter HbA1c antiserin into the cuvette. Press Enter button to start the test. Result would appear on the screen in minutes.